Are chefs just cooks with fancy hats and uniforms just like the one I'm putting on? Sometimes you, as a restaurant owner or a food business owner, may be struggling to hire a chef, whereas what you need at that point is a cook. Other times, you'll be also struggling to hire a cook, whereas what your business needs at that point in time is a chef. There is a huge difference between a chef and a cook. A chef cooks and a cook also cooks. Now, the big problem here is what exactly is the difference between these two personnel in your kitchen? Sometimes you, as a restaurant owner or a food business owner, confuse these two personnel, their capacities and what they can bring to the table. I will use 3 things to differentiate these two employees: when to employ who and where to place who. Now, using the kitchen knowledge, the kitchen control, and the meal making experiences. A good cook may have mastered all your recipes over the years of experience working with you, but it takes extra food making expertise, costing ability, leadership, and some level of control to run your business successfully. Talking about a chef, so beyond cooking, a chef helps to manage your kitchen. They help to inspire the kitchen staff. They also help you in quality control, also support your business in building quality menu development and production costing. A cook doesn't have any culinary background that helps them take charge of your kitchen as it should. Having known the difference between a chef and a cook, we understand that as new restaurant owners and starters, we know there is high tendency of wanting to hire just cooks so that you'll be able to pay them. But we keep on emphasizing on the importance of having even just one chef in your kitchen. Over the years, we've had experiences, and you can also agree with me that some chefs are not good enough and some cooks with basic knowledge and experiences are better than them. But we still emphasize on the importance of having just one good chef in your kitchen to help inspire your kitchen staff and also to build your good customer satisfaction. Having known the difference between a chef and a cook, if you have any experiences with a bad chef or a bad cook, kindly let us know in the comment section below. My name is Favorite and this is RBFM Nigeria. Do well to follow us on all our social media platforms because we drop helpful tips like this to help you run a profitable restaurant or a food business. See you in our next video.